This is Fuji. When you register a new account, you need to enter a strong password, right? I'm going to explain how to automate the create and type of the password. First, start TaskMagic and click the green button on the top right. Click the browser recording. A window will appear, so click the Step 1, Go to Page URL Input. For example, enter the URL of TaskMagic sign-up page and click the button. Now I'm going to create a new password at random on the TaskMagic account registration page and input it here. First, click the plus icon. Select the record and click it. Select the area you want to click and click the Confirm button. Next, click the plus icon and select JavaScript. You can enter your own JavaScript here. I will give you the code of this JavaScript. I will put the page where you can receive the code of JavaScript in the YouTube video description, so please use it freely. Copy this and paste it as it is. Click the Save button. Let's put a few seconds delay after the password is entered. By doing so, I can see if the password is actually entered. In this state, select 4 steps and click the Finish button. Let's actually start it. Click the Play Steps button to start the automation. The input area of this password has been clicked and the password has been entered. Here, a random password is generated by JavaScript and typed in the input area. In this way, you can generate a random 20-character password using JavaScript and enter it. By the way, if you want to save the generated password, save it in this Google Sheet. Copy the URL of this Google Sheet. Paste the URL of this Google Sheet where it says Send to Google Sheets. Select the worksheet. Next, check the header information and click Looks Good. I'm setting it from Step 1 to 4, but there is a plus icon after Step 4, so click here. Select Record here. Enter a password here. I'm going to scrape this password. Click the plus icon, click Scrape, and select Single. Select this password and click Confirm. Click the Finish button. Let's begin. Click Play Steps. In this way, the window will open and the password will be automatically generated and entered here. The generated password is saved in this Google Sheet. Yes, it was saved. This means that the password entered on the sign-up page of this account is actually inserted here. Of course, this JavaScript can also be used on other web pages. Let's create a password on this Facebook new sign-up page. Edit the auto-generated password you created earlier and change it to Facebook. Replace the original URL with a new URL. Facebook.com has been entered in this way. Save it. Let's delete step 2. Delete it. Click the plus icon and click record. Then the Facebook registration page opens. I want to add an action to click the input area of this password on this account registration page. Click the plus icon, select record, and select click. Click the input area of this password. Click confirm. Step 1, 2, 3, 4. OK. Edit the last step 5, scrape. Select scrape, select single, and get the text here. For example, if there is a text here, scrape it. Click confirm. Click the complete button. Let's actually automate with this. Click play steps. Then the Facebook page opens. The password was automatically generated and entered in the input area of this password. And the input password is exported to this Google Sheet. This is it. This is the password generated on the Facebook page earlier. In this way, a random password can be automatically generated and entered. Let me explain a little about this JavaScript code. First of all, this JavaScript code has the function of generating a random password and automatically inserting it into the input area of the text that is focused. This code can be used in pretty much any text input area of a web page. However, depending on the website, it may not work well. For example, some specific websites may not be able to use JavaScript, or the implementation may be limited. In that case, this JavaScript cannot be used. But you can use this JavaScript on many websites. Next, let's talk about changing the number of characters in a password. Right now, I am automating the process of creating and entering a 20-character password at random. If you specify 35 characters instead of 20, the number of characters in the password will be 35 when you change the number of brackets to 35. If you change the number of characters to 7, a 7-character password will be generated. You can change the number of characters as you like. Next, let's talk about random passwords that are actually generated. This time, when this password is generated at random, it is set to use special characters. If you don't want to use this special character, you can delete this special character and use it as you like. Even with this, it works without any problems. That's it. You can use JavaScript using TaskMagic. Since JavaScript can be used, you can automatically generate random passwords and enter them. If you want to create an account automatically, it is very convenient. This video, I explained how to generate random strong passwords using TaskMagic and how to enter them. Please try it. I will put the code of JavaScript in the description of this YouTube video, so please feel free to use it. Thank you for watching.